Should be out. It is out. Tried to clear that mid-wicket fielder. Well-timed jump and the first wicket falls. Fakhar Zaman walks back.
Ball straight to the man. It's off Samad again. Naseem Shah gets his man. They've been planning and now they've got the reward.
Oh, it's a good ball. Should be out. Should be out. Yes, what a catch taken by Rizwan. Flying, diving forward. Umpire says out. The partnership is broken. Seventh goes back. Edged. Has been taken. What a good catch by Sajid.
That is wicket number 1 for his team. Could have been a wide ball, should have been a wide ball, but Yasir's premeditated intent.
Amir Yamin clears the fielder. Oh no, he doesn't. What a catch that was. That's called game awareness, knowing where the boundary is.
Was in the zone where the batters like it, and is fair distance.
Should be out. Should be out. Is out.
Front foot is fine, and let's get the ball rolling. What happened next is of importance now. And Usman wanted to go big, top edged it, and cleanly taken. And Fahim Ashraf has done a tremendous job.
Oh no. Oh no. He's top edged one. There are two fielders. Two. Oh, they've taken it finally. Usama Mir has taken it. It's Haider Ali who's just collided with him, but still, Usama keeping it cool.
Trying to keep the pressure on, especially the fairly new Rizwan. Apesh gone! Whoa, that's a soft dismissal, really.
There is the big break, and Stallions now look in control with 3 wickets in the bag already.
It's taken quite easy. Another one. Another one, yes, for Zahid Mahmood. 4 wickets for just 13 runs.
4th wicket for Zahid Mahmood. Brilliantly done. Great reflexes, Salman Agha.
Gone! Massive revenge by Siraj.
A boundary and then this. Nice full delivery swing, but it's all about the catch. Umair bin Yusuf was flying. He's a right-hander going towards his left. Plucked it out of the thin air.
Pakistan, the required stability, and this is the edge. And once again, Saim Ayub playing far away from the body, pays the heavy price.
Have a look at that. He's going away, dying in that left-hand glove. And he grabs that. Another disappointment for Saim Ayub. Another innings, another dismissal.
Out. Brilliant catch. Run of Fahim Ashraf in action.
Faizan's walk will continue towards the dugout. Once again, not patient enough.
And it's taken. I believe this is Herrera at point.
1 run shy of the 50. He middled it. That was travelling. That was quick.
In the circle, you stop something like that, you've saved a certain boundary, and this one is in the air and taken. And once again, Shan plays it towards the cover, but this time the control isn't there. It goes in the air, and first wicket for Dolphins.
Even though it's been hidden by Yasir, but you can make out good part of the boot is behind that popping crease.
Yes, Shan once again staying away from the ball, just the hands going, and that too not with the full extension.
Oh yes, easily done against the run of play.
Qasim Akram, the part-timer, strikes. Herrera took the catch, a leading edge, trying to close the face of the bat. And it just ballooned to Herrera, didn't make a mistake. Gone. The minute it got that edge, it's impossible for this man to drop it.
Wickets are falling, and Stallions, well, once again, See that movement from Sarfaraz, made it look really easy. And this one is cut, and what a take! What a take it is! Haris gets the wicket of a delivery that did not deserve a wicket. Come and go for Qasim Akram. Foot is miles back. Just have a look at this. Wow. One-handed take on the left side. What a great catch that is. That is one to remember for Abrar and to the people who are just behind him, watching him live.
And this problem of continues. No, this is out given by the umpire.
And that's a brilliant take from Sajjad, the wicketkeeper for Nurpur Lions.
फिर हवा में और हाथों में भी लाजवाब कैचिंग बट की जानिब से मिड ऑफ पर
चौका कंसीड करने के बाद अपने भारी दिल से गेंद करने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन अपने बॉटम हैंड का इस्तेमाल करना चाहते थे, अबूर करना चाहते थे मिड ऑफ को। अमाद बट ने शानदार डाइव लगाते हुए किसी परिंदे की मानंद उचक लिया। हारिस को जाना पड़ेगा। In the air, chance, fielder coming underneath it, has to be taken, and yes, Khushdil Shah covered the ground and in the end took it in his safe hands.
And he gets a good sharp one coming into the right-hander. Couldn't control it, went high, and all credit to Khushdil Shah for that catch running backwards. He's a good fielder.
Straight as an arrow. This is Asif for you. But this is great catch by Abdullah Shafiq. A strong response. Finally, Shaheen Shah Afridi has struck and got the golden wicket of Asif.
Just a formality to check it at this point. We thought he had it, but Abdullah Shafiq had other plans. Running catch, never easy. He's kept his eye on the ball all the way through.
हवा में और निहायत ही शानदार कैच शाहीन आफरीदी, उन्होंने नाकाबिले यकीन अंदाज में ये लो कैच लिया। ये पहले देखी गई जो कि बिल्कुल नहीं थी और क्लीन कैच लगा। यहाँ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में उसी एंड पर थे हम जहाँ ये एक्शन हुआ और शाहीन आफरीदी ने इसे मुकम्मल किया।
फिर यॉर्कर इस मर्तबा भी बल्ले के बीचों बीच नहीं आए और आउट हो गए खुशदिल शाह। अच्छा कैच यहाँ पर डीप में और अब्बास आफरीदी को एक विकेट मिल गई, लेकिन क्वालिफिकेशन उनकी पहुंच से दूर। बहुत अच्छा जज किया, यहाँ पर कैच लेने में कामयाब हुए।
Here it comes. We were waiting for that big shot. Saim Ayub is getting underneath it and takes it cleanly in the end. First 4-4 for Saim Ayub. This man is unstoppable. Saim Ayub, the bowler for you.
Naseem Shah looking for that big shot. Use of feet down the track. Did not time it, but no mistakes whatsoever from Saim Ayub. Naseem Shah has to walk.
Bounty of batsmen are coming. Oh, that is an opportunity. No. End of the over.
It did ricochet off the thigh pad of Rizwan. Good catch from Abdul Samad. Umar Siddique's knock has come to an end.
दफा करें इब्तिदा में
हवा में और लाजवाब कैच मुकम्मल किया सामने डाइव करके, जो हमेशा मुश्किल काम होता है फास्ट बॉलर के लिए, लेकिन उबैद शाह ने कर दिखाया। और ये आप देख सकते हैं कि इनकी जो उंगलियां थी, ऐसा लगा था कि जैसे इनकी उंगलियां नीचे हैं। पहले जिक्र हुआ था इनके बड़े बड़े हाथों का, तो बाज़ाहिर ऐसा लगता है कि पहुंच गए जितने पूरे एतमाद थे। जी हाँ,
Do that.
That's another one taken. Another big shot attempted. Mohammad Mohsen with a spectacular catch in the ring.
And then one comes after the other, and this is what Taha needed to realize, that he's just lost his settled partner, and Irfan Niazi would need take time to settle into the crease.
वो इसे कट किया और लाजवाब कैच स्लिप पोजीशन पर लिया गया, और ये पहली कामयाबी हासिल की हसनैन ने।
और हसनैन की रफ्तार को भी आप दाद देना चाहेंगे। यहाँ पे जबरदस्त रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन किया, पहली मरतबा के कैच उनके हाथ से निकल गया था।